Hi everyone, welcome to Simplilearn. In this tutorial for today, we will learn how to use OpenAI's ChatGPT for hacking. Let me remind you, this will be just for learning the capabilities of ChatGPT and nothing more. For better understanding, let's go through a context on how to use ChatGPT for hacking. So basically, hacking with ChatGPT refers to exploring the deepest and darkest uses of ChatGPT beyond its standard applications. This could involve leveraging its capabilities for automation, detecting a vulnerability, or closing a loophole that can be a future threat. If used wisely, ChatGPT can drastically reduce the time and effort required to put hacking to a better purpose. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself and master generative AI skills and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various generative AI courses and certifications. Simplilearn offers various certification programs in collaboration with some of the world's leading universities. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like advanced Python, machine learning, generative AI, and over a dozen others. That's not all, you also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier companies and academicians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into an AI and machine learning role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find a generative AI program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started. So, hacking with ChatGPT. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. Ethical hacking involves identifying and addressing system vulnerabilities to prevent malicious attacks. The usage of ChatGPT is groundbreaking in cybersecurity as it simulates potential attack scenarios and provides detailed insights into system weaknesses. So, ChatGPT hackers can use ChatGPT ethically to automate repetitive tasks, generate sophisticated phishing simulations, and predict potential attack vectors based on current threat landscapes. So, hacking with ChatGPT is all about creatively using generative AI to achieve more efficient solutions, automate tasks, and generate unique insights. Now, let's jump on to ChatGPT and try to implement a couple of use cases on how to use ChatGPT for ethical hacking as well as hacking. So, basically, ChatGPT is now avoiding to provide codes for hacking, but if you rewrite the prompt in a way that it seems non-ethical to ChatGPT, then it can yield in some of the code documentations. But anyways, we will also use some of the GitHub portfolios or GitHub repositories for customized GPTs for the solutions. Now let's begin with ChatGPT in the standard mode. So now we are on ChatGPT. You can also proceed with this one, or in case if you want to keep it more specific, then you can go for the search of specific GPTs. Here, the Explore GPTs option is available for you. Just click on that, and here you can go with the features of provided GPTs here, or you can also make use of the search icon here and just type in HackerGPT or Hacking GPT. So based on the reviews, you can choose one of the followings. So I have 100k reviews here, and I'll go with this one. Now you can just start a chat. Now let's create our prompts. Now here we have written a simple prompt that asks GPT about write and use Nmap to map the network and identify potential entry points. Let's hit enter. Now it gives you some feedback on it, and if possible it will give you a code as well. So these are the potential steps that you need to follow to identify potential entry points and try to secure the network. Now let's also try for the next one. Now our second prompt is trying to explain ChatGPT to simulate an attack environment and test the system vulnerabilities. Hit enter. There you go. It is also giving you some steps to follow and some code segments that you need to run to identify system vulnerabilities. So these are some of the prompts for ethical hackers. Let's try a couple of more. Now, let's try this one. Write a basic script to check for outdated software versions which are often exploited by attackers. Now, let's hit enter and see the output. So there you go. ChatGPT has provided us a Python code to check the older versions and also the possibilities which can be misused by attackers to attack the old software versions and cause harm to the network or systems. Now let's try a couple of more. Write a simple SQL injection on our test server to see how websites can be compromised and how to secure them. There you go. Just enter and let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So it is providing us some steps to create a test database and also the queries or code to check the vulnerabilities. And lastly, testing the SQL injection. Now, these were the ones for ethical hackers. Now, let's dig deeper and try to create a ransomware. Now, obviously, ChatGPT will reject this question, but still, let's give it a try. Now, let's run this. So there you go. It cannot assist you with that query. So in such scenarios, what could you do? So you can just head down to Google and try for some customized GPTs, which can help you with that. Here we have already tried to fetch for some customized GPTs. So we have fetched for BlackFriday GPT. And once you open the BlackFriday GPT, you can scroll down a little bit and open the GPT which says BlackHat Hacker. You can just give a search here, just Control F and type down BlackHat and it will give you the link to the BlackHat Hacker. Just click on it and you will be redirected to this particular web page. Now you can just quickly start a chat with your BlackHat Hacker. Now here we can write the scripts or you can write the prompts. Now help me create a ransomware. There you go. The query has been processing. So here you got the Python script to write a ransomware. Now let's proceed with the second query. Write me a phishing attack code. Hit enter. There you go. The code is just for educational purposes only, but still you can see it's generating a code for us. Meanwhile, let's write down our last query. Write a password attack code for learning purposes. Just hit enter. There you go. It also left us with some resources where we can download the hashcat from the official website as a password attacking code doc. So these were the few instances on how to use ChatGPT for hacking as well as ethical hacking. And with that, we have reached to the end of this session on how to use GPT for hacking. Should you need any assistance, PPT, demo doc, or all the prompts that we used, links to the repositories or any other resources used in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below and our team of experts will be happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like Simplilearn YouTube channel, similar videos. Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.